Don't know why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve this feeling.
How's it going, guys? Tech here. Hope you liked the intro. This video is going to be very interesting, but before we begin, first hear me out. So if you remember, I uploaded a video last winter on how to make anime live wallpapers for your iPhones. But now that iOS 16 is here, Apple has apparently removed the live wallpaper feature on lock screen. That means even if you set a live wallpaper on your lock screen, it won't animate. Because when you long press the screen, now we enter into the lock screen customization mode of iOS 16. So that's the whole reason I'm doing this video again, to get updated with the trend. But again, it doesn't mean you can never use live wallpapers, as some people don't wanna go to iOS 16 or their iPhones doesn't support iOS 16. Anyway, the point is, people without iOS 16 can still use the feature and keep it going. So first I'll suggest you to give it a deep thought that to what character you want as a lock screen setup. I am only going to show you how it's done because most of the things are to be done by you guys only. So you have to select choose as wallpaper in Photos app to go to customization. Then as you can see, this is Zenitsu from Demon Slayer, and looking at it carefully you can see most of the colors in here are yellow and green. So first with the time font, I think I want to be very specific and sure about which font style may look good. I don't want to blow it up. This is totally on you guys what you want to have there. I think I'll put green colored fonts to make it look highlighted over the yellow background theme. So as for me, I'll have activity widgets above time since it also shows the day and date. And I'll also keep other widgets that are absolutely necessary, like absolutely needed by me for my everyday activities. So now you may peacefully watch the build of this setup with the awesome music in the background, and I'll see you in a bit.
Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? Or what you say is I don't know. Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me till you end up all this way.
Alright, so there it is, the Zenitsu Demon Slayer setup along with my other setups. By the way, if you want these wallpapers for yourself, I'll link them in the description down below along with some other wallpapers I have. I hope this video was creative enough for you anime fans, and now of course that includes me too. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A sub would be really appreciated, and if you guys have anything to ask to me, make sure you comment and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.